Goa is a little paradise in which all of the people, plants, and animals I love live in. Goa is my home. Just like humans have red hearts that keep them healthy and alive, Goa has a green one. The Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Mole National Park in the middle of the Western Ghats. Its heart is even older than the Himalayas, 150 million years old. It is home to the magnificent Dudhsagar waterfall and to so many other beautiful beings. In December 2019, the government proposed a railway, a highway, and transmission line that cuts right through the park. While we were all locked down, these projects were approved, which means 250 hectares of this beautiful forest will be lost. That's the size of 375 football fields.
So I heard about the 3 projects that were happening in Mole and I just decided to come by and check it out. I didn't expect it to be so devastating because you come up and there's this tiny little road and it goes into this completely into this dense forest, and then you suddenly get here and there's like this huge clearing bang in the middle of the forest. You can actually see the edges of the forest are pristine, and then right as the tree cover ends, you can see it's completely desolate. Like it's almost like someone has shaved this entire section of forest over. So what this area actually is, it's the substation for a 400 kV transmission line that's supposed to come through the forest as well as private land. And they were granted permission for this particular substation, but instead of cutting just 0.55 hectares, they've gone and cut about maybe like 5 times that or 6 times that.
In total, they will need to cut more than 80,000 trees. These are ancient trees up to 400 years old. They play a very important role by absorbing the carbon dioxide that we exhale and trapping our greenhouse gases. They also bring in rainfall, providing us with fresh and clean water.
Most of the water that Goa receives, and much of it, I would say the northern part of Goa, it comes from these forests. The Mahadev Wildlife Sanctuary and Mahavir Sanctuary, they together supply water to these Anjuna Dam and Opa plant which is there, which is supplied to most of Goa. And anything that happens in these areas will directly affect a considerable population of people in Goa. One of the most famous, I would say, reptile of this particular sanctuary is the Hampunose pit viper. Basically, it's an ambush predator and it's one of the main reptiles that people from maybe all over the country come to see here in Goa.
These forests are home to various endangered species. When my friends and I go for walks, we've spotted all kinds of rare species like the tiger, dhole, mouse deer, and Indian pangolin. By the river, we see the small clawed river otters and sometimes the 4-horned antelopes who come for a drink of fresh water. There's still so much more to see, but only if we can protect it.
I'm from Mollem. I'm born and brought up here, and I've studied botany for last 5 years. I've also done my research project in this particular reserved area. I've seen fireflies in the forest covering the whole bushes of the trees, and we have seen it like a Christmas tree. So that is what is a Christmas tree for me actually.
There are communities who live on the edge of the forest who depend on it for their survival. And there are countless animals and birds who only exist because of it. But sadly, today they might lose their homes.
तांबडी सुर्ला म्हणटा थंयसर 3 वाडे आसा. 3 वाड्यांनी मिळून एक 60-70 घरां आसा आनी त्या घरांत मिळून आमचे 700-800 फॅमिली आसा. आनी हे सगळे 700-800 फॅमिली जी आसा ती सगळी डिपेंड ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. ती लायनी खातीर जवळ जवळ 40 मिटर की अशी कितें तरी झाडां कापपाची आसा व्हडली व्हडली. आणि ती लायन कापपाची म्हणजे ती आमचे जे शेत आसा ते ऑलरेडी आमचे 40च्या सकयल आसा म्हणजे फूल आमचे शेतूच काबार जाता म्हणजे ते आमचे आनी आमकां सोर्सूच ना शेत हें करपाक.
ही म्हजी झाडां, ही कोकोनट ट्री, ही एरेका नट जे आय हॅव डेवलप्ड फॉर लास्ट 25 years I am developing this. So they have numbered it. You can see this. They have marked. I have stopped them marking these trees and they are saying me it will be the width of this line will be 50 meters from here and all these 50 meters height also trees will be cut down. माझी गाय आसा हांगा, डेरी आसा प्लस माझी झाडां आसा ही तुमी यू कॅन सी height of that trees. So how many years it took me to develop this area. So I am now Atmanirbhar, but I will be coming on road if this project works. म्हणजे हे जालें जाल्यार सगळीं ही झाडां गेली नंतर मागीर आमकां आनी दुसरो सोर्स उरपाना.
And this isn't just happening in Goa, it's happening all across India. There are over 31 projects in places just like this. Where will all these people and animals go?
I've spent my entire childhood here. I've grown up here. There are so many memories of just going to the forest and wandering or playing in the water springs. And I also remember my uncle taking me and my friends for jungle safari. And we have seen there so many animals like the bison, the deer, the porcupine, or even the monkeys. And that feeling is really amazing. You can't put it into words. So that is how the people from here are connected to the nature or the animals. Obviously it's really heartbreaking knowing that it's all gonna go away. If people are made aware or they are told, then I'm very sure that people will stand for this land or the nature, and obviously are going to come up and speak about it.
I don't want my friends in the forest to lose their homes, and I don't want Goa to lose its heart. Together, we can do something about it. Do you want to save the forest with me?